Frisbee begins. Winston loves Frisbee. Woo! Good catch, Win! He's going in the shade. Okay, call him again. He's not very good at giving the Frisbee back.
Go. Let go, Wins. Let go. Winston. Let go.
Yeah, so it was Peter's fault. Hey, pup. Are you getting tired?
Let go. Let go. Hey. Let go.
Woo! Good catch! He tripped over it. One more, Winston, before you pass out. Oh, he's tired. Oh, Winston. Winnie, why don't we do one more? How about that?
One more? Let go. Let go. So, come on.
He's watching Peter walk away. Oh, there he goes.
Maybe.
No. Almost.
He's not going to get up.
He may just leave it. That's usually when he's done.
He avoids eye contact.
Good job, Win. He's going to lay down in the shade. Oh, he's tired. Hey, pup. Now he just wants to chew on the Frisbee and maybe take a little nap, huh? Oh, Winnie. Bye.